This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do 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 do.
It's Go Dogs for One.
Good morning, guys. It's ATL. What's up, you guys? So right now, we are gonna clean my apartment. So talk to you guys then.
Six and a half hours later.
Hey guys, so thank you for Nathan for cleaning my apartment with me. That'd be it's awesome and nice and clean now. It took so long, and then we played some Roblox, and we had so much fun and exciting. Don't ask me why the cat litter box is there, because I'm gonna clean that too. I'm gonna get some popcorn. We have some cake here, so we have some stuff that we are gonna do. I'm really chillaxing and trying to stay organized, so the apartment looks a lot much better. See that? All that stuff is awesome and nice and clean. No things in the way. So that's pretty cool. So talk to you guys then. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Goodbye.
Give it a thumbs up.